guys, I was wondering what was wrong with the sound, so I'm just trying to test it here. So, try listening up, really. So, I don't know what to do, so that my eyeball. Sorry about that. God, I really need to get a new voice. Better go to a surgeon or something. Yeah. Get my voice box changed. So, tell me if you can hear me better. Either like this, or this. If you're creative. No, if you're interesting or creative.